The London Marathon has detailed security plans which are developed in conjunction with the Metropolitan Police, and they take account of many contingencies, including this type of threat and incident. But one can't be complacent, and when it has happened, you have to then review those plans that you have in place to see what else may be necessary, and that's certainly what we're going to be doing in the forthcoming hours and days. We fully expect the London Marathon to go ahead on the 21st of April as planned. We'll be keeping all of our runners in touch. We'll be in contact with them by email, by use of social media, and by statements on our website. But at this stage, no, plans are that we fully expect it to go ahead. In a free society, a race goes through a city and it's open. One of the joys of something like the London Marathon is that it is open to all spectators. We have hundreds of thousands of people who line the street, and when you're considering security, you've got to take into account all of that, people who may be attending. It's not like on Sunday when we saw a marathon in North Korea where there's no one watching and no one standing by the side of the street.